Hello everyone, welcome to May Words. Today's topic is letter writing, informal letter. Letter writing, communication in a printed form directed to a person or group. That means it is a way to express our thoughts, information to a single person, individual or a group. So, letter would be a way of communication to a person or a group, and the information would be in a printed form. There is mainly two categories of letter, informal letter and formal letter. Letter to a friend or relative comes under informal letter. In this video we will only discuss about informal letter. So here we will see in detail about how we have to write informal letter and what is the format with one sample question. So in this way we can say informal letter is a way to communicate with our friends or relatives in a text form. Language should be informal, may include slanges. That means while writing informal letter, there would be no need to be formal in your language. You can be friendly while writing the letter. You can use slanges, idioms while writing the letter because it is informal. So in this way we can say informal letter is a way to communicate with our friends or relatives in a text form. Language should be informal, may include slanges. That means while writing informal letter, there would be no need to be formal in your language. You can be friendly while writing the letter. You can use slanges, idioms while writing the letter because it is informal. Now we will see format, how we have to write the letter in a proper way. Here we start. First, you can see the whole lookout of the format. This is the whole lookout of the format. Sender's address, date, salutation, and the body, and then subscription. But I am going to tell you in detail. So first we will see the upper part of this. This is the sender's address. This address should become in 3 lines. In first line we will write house number. In second we will mention the street, and in third we will mention the city. This is the address of sender. That means who is writing the letter will mention his address, his or her address. In first line, house number. In second line you will mention street, and in third line you will mention city in which you are living. Then cross represent line to be leave. Then this cross represent line to be leave. That means after writing sender's address in 3 lines, you will leave 1 line. Then you will mention the date in proper format. As usual you see in my writing this video, just like in notice and message. Then you will leave another line. After writing date, you have to leave 1 line. Then salutation. Salutation is the reference to the person for whom you are writing. Then the body will be started, but in the body there will be 3 paragraphs. First paragraph would be this, in which you will write like this: I am fine here and hope the same for you. I am writing this letter. Up to this letter you have to write in every type of informal letter. After that you will write the reason for writing informal letter. Now this is the upper part. Now we will see the lower part. In second paragraph, which have been shown here with yellow text, main content, why we are writing the letter. After writing first paragraph you will change. In the second paragraph you will mention the main content of the letter, what is the main reason for writing the letter, with some lines so you can extend this paragraph broadly. And at the last you will copy this paragraph in every type of informal letter. I am closing this letter with warm wishes, give respect to elders and love to youngers. This means to say this third paragraph would be same for every type of informal letter. Then line to be leave. Yours lovingly, that would be the subscription. Yours lovingly, or you can mention any words like obediently, faithfully, but lovingly is more appropriate. Then you will write the sender's name, the name of the person who is writing the letter. So in this way you can understand that there is only you have to deal with the second paragraph. First and third paragraph you have to go with the same. You will write as it is. Only in the second paragraph you have to work out. In second paragraph you will work mainly. You will write the things according to yourself. You have to make this paragraph by your own content. So moving forward, we will see one sample question, how we will write the informal letter when question comes to you. Sample question. Question says, you are Apur, a resident of Goa. You would not be able to go to your uncle's house in this summer vacation, as your cousin from abroad is coming to stay with you. So write a letter to your uncle saying sorry for not to be there in this summer vacation. That means, according to the question, you are Apur and you are living in Goa, and you would not be able to go to your uncle's house in this summer vacation, as the reason is that your cousin brother from abroad is coming to your home to stay with you. That is the main reason that you would not be able to go your uncle's house. So you have to write a letter to your uncle saying sorry, apologizing that you would not be there in this summer vacation. So question is clear. Now we will see how we will put this in the proper format. This is the whole letter. It would be like complete letter, but we will discuss in the two parts, upper part and lower part. So here we have upper part. Firstly, we will start writing with address. As per the details provided by me, I told you that you have to write address in 3 lines. In first line, you can see I have written here the address in 3 lines. First line, house number 126/24, Church Street, then city, Goa. As there is no information regarding the address of the resident, here we will create address by our own. We will write a fictional address here. In every type of question, when address is not there, you have to create it fictionally. Then X represent a line to be leave. You will leave 1 line after writing the address. Then date. Date should be in this format. It is the proper format to write the date. Then leave 1 line. Here the salutation is dear uncle, because it is an informal letter and you are writing to your uncle. You will mention dear uncle. This is the first paragraph which you have to write the same without adding reason. I am fine here and hope the same for you. I am writing this letter to inform you that. Up to this that you will write these lines in every kind of informal letter. After this we have add the reason, and the reason here is that I would not be able to come to your place in this summer vacation. This is the reason for starting the letter. This is the upper part. I hope this would be clear. Now we will see the second lower part of this letter. Now we will start the second paragraph. You can see in yellow text where we will describe the main reason, and we will enlarge it. We will write it broadly so that the length of the letter can be enhanced. Uncle, as you know, I want to be there, but unfortunately this time it would not be possible, as my cousin brother Ronit is coming from abroad to stay with us, and he is coming after 5 years. I hope you understand this, and I will come next year. So here this paragraph, only you have to work with this paragraph. You will write this paragraph according to yourself. You have to create it by your own ideas. Third paragraph, I am closing this letter with warm wishes. Give respect to elders and love to youngers. See you soon. Leave 1 line. Yours lovingly. This is subscription, and the main point is here is that you have to write yours. Neither you will use apostrophe and neither you will remove s. You have to write yours, yours. Then the name of the sender, Apur. So in the letter you can see you have to mainly work on the second paragraph. Otherwise the whole way of writing letter is easy, and you have to make second paragraph at least 4 to 5 lines in your own way. Use your creative mind to create this letter. Here we have seen informal letter. What is informal letter? How we will write informal letter, one format and the sample question. Try more questions by yourself and write it in the proper way. Only you have to deal with second paragraph. Otherwise you can copy the whole letter like this in your every type of informal letter.